Alright, it's man 65, jack squat, water, mud. We're going to do some mushroom hunting here. We're going to hunt this field here real quick, up on this hill for some arrowheads. I found a horseshoe there. So we'll get back with you guys. Alright, I think I got me a point. It's like an early archaic or something, paleo.
Yeah, I don't say what kind of, I ain't even worried about all that.
Yeah.
No, it's a nice little point.
Cool, nice and thin. I'll have to look it up in my book when I get home. You professionals probably know. But sweet. There it is, man. Said he found the first mushroom. We just walked in the woods here. I was ready to pick it.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, right there by my foot. About destroyed it. Beat up spike, looks like. Alright, got my first spiky for the day. First mushroom. Pretty thick back here in this wood. Big old tree came down. There's baby coon up there. Well, I can focus on him. What are you guys doing up there? Move this button up and down, that button, go up with it. Go all the way up.
It's kind of dark, but you can see those little baby coons crawling around in there. At least two.
Okay, garbage guru. There's some stinging nettle. That's it for sure, I can feel her. This here's a Kentucky coffee bean seed pod. I'm gonna take them seeds home, see if I can get some of them trees to grow. They grow up here in Indiana too. They're not a very big area where they grow at, but we have them up here. Some kind of milk glass here. It's got a screw top, but it's kind of neat looking. It ain't chipped or anything. I'll take it with me. There's an old side delivery hay rake. Got a little gray here.
Your voicemail was me.
I got another gray. He's over here talking about voicemails. I don't know what he's talking about. I'm hunting mushrooms. He is. Said he found a little gray. Who's that? Oh yeah, you can see that thing. Life dig. Okay.
Tejas, eat your heart out. Texas don't have these.
Okay, non-mushroom hunters. There's a contest. See if you can find a mushroom. 10 seconds. If you picked right there, then you win the prize. Prize a jack squat, but good job. Congratulations. Alright, I'm back home. I gave my mushrooms to the guy that let us metal detect his yard where I found them silvers, so I only had a few anyway. I was trying to identify this point in this Overstreet's book, and best I can come to right now, I guess, would be a Dalton Classic. I found one, or yeah, Dalton Classic. Here's mine side by side with that one. That one's even got a shorter ear than, just like this, got a long ear and a short stubby ear. But I don't know, I could be identifying it wrong. Maybe Richard or Creek Dalton could tell me. There's the flaking. I'm not real good at flaking. I don't know if that's archaic or woodland or whatever kind of flaking. I don't even know what kind of material that'd be. But hoping somebody could tell me. I didn't know we really had Daltons in Indiana, but there's one right there found in Indiana. There's one found in Ohio. So evidently we got them. I don't know if that's what that is though. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, subscribing, whatever. See ya.